Any home will feel more luxurious and elegant with leather furniture. However, orderly cleaning and maintenance are important to retain your leather sofas looking their best. I always suggest utilizing a cleaner specially designed to clean leather. What's up, guys? In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best leather cleaner for sofas 2024 in the market. Which are the best for you? Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Leather Honey Leather Cleaner. This high-rated cleaner is known for its deep cleaning abilities. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and stains without stripping the leather of its natural oils. It also helps restore the leather's softness and shine. What sets Leather Honey Leather Cleaner apart from other cleaners is its ability to deeply penetrate the leather and nourish and rejuvenate it from the inside out. This helps to restore your sofa to a natural shine and softness, giving it a beautiful feel as a new one. Perfect for all types of leather, from full grain to aniline. This cleaner cleans your sofa and provides long-lasting protection against future stains and spills. The leather has a protective barrier, which is easy to clean in case of any disaster. Using Leather Honey Leather Cleaner is a breeze. Just apply a few drops on a clean cloth and gently rub into the skin in circular motions. Allow to be there for a few minutes before wiping off the surplus. Pros: strong food for leather fibers, restores natural shine and softness, versatile for different leather products, easy to use, no memory, odor-free and clean results. Cons: not suitable for all skin types, slight possibility of leather being black. It needs regular maintenance, limited stain removal efficiency. Number 2. Chamberlain's Leather Milk. This leather cleaner is specially created to nourish and safeguard your leather sofa. It cleans the surface and moisturizes the leather, preventing it from drying out and cracking. I love how it leaves my leather feeling supple and looking refreshed. One unique feature of Chamberlain's Leather Milk is that it is all natural, made with a blend of rich oils and natural ingredients. This treatment can effectively remove stains, grime, and dirt from your sofa while unharming the leather. Chamberlain's Leather Milk provides complete nourishment and protection in addition to your sofa's cleanliness. Cleansing oils penetrate the leather, restoring its natural moisture and protecting it from aging and decay. Pros: quality leather care product, nourishes and revitalizes leather, trusted brand. Cons: may require frequent application, slightly expensive. Number 3. Megier's Gold Class Rich Leather Cleaner. This cleaner is designed to gently clean and condition your leather sofa. It effectively gets rid of grime and dirt without leaving any behind. It also contains moisturizers that help prevent the leather from drying out. I appreciate how easy it is to use and how well it restores its leather to its original beauty. The Megier Gold Class Rich Leather Cleaner not only cleans your sofa but also adds a layer of protection. In addition, it contains UV blocking chemicals that help prevent your skin from wrinkling and cracking due to sun exposure. This is especially essential if you position your sofa near a window or in direct sunlight. Pros: budget-friendly, effective to clean the leather and protect it. It is easily available. Cons: requires good disturbance for tough stains. Number 4. Lexel Leather Cleaner. This cleaner is highly recommended for removing tough stains and dirt from leather sofas. I found that it works wonders on both light and dark colored leather, leaving it clean and conditioned. One of the unique features of Lexel Leather Cleaner is its pH balance, which means it is specifically formulated to work with the leather's natural pH. It ensures a clean look without stripping essential oils or causing any discoloration, and keeps your sofa clean and bright. What sets Lexel Leather Cleaner apart from other methods is its ability to not only clean the leather, but also improve the quality of the leather. It nourishes and moisturizes the leather, avoiding drying, cracking, and damage. Pros: easy to use in a large jar, a variety of leather goods for a variety of uses, with no residue. Cons: many people reported a strong odor, minimal effect on excessively cracked or worn leather, not recommended for very sensitive skin. Number 5. Wayman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This 2-in-1 product not only cleans your leather sofa, but also conditions it to keep it looking its best. It removes dirt and grime, while moisturizing the leather to avoid drying and cracking. I love the convenience of having a cleaner and conditioner in one bottle. It helps prevent drying, cracks, and damage. It ensures that your leather upholstery sofa will last for years to come. Using Wayman leather cleaner and conditioner is a breeze. Just dab a small amount on a clean cloth and gently rub it into your skin in a circular motion. Allow the cleaner to soak into the leather for a few minutes prior to wiping off the extra. Pros: it works well against mud, salt stains, dirt, and grime, restores softness and prevents drying. There is a UV sunscreen for protection, no residue or grease. Cons: make a few stains worse, may leave white residue if overused. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.